Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We have a fun Wantable we're going to get into. This is a limited time edition themed edit called Outfit Makers. It is a style edit and I can't wait to dig in. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks like to hang out with me. This one is Xena, White is White Puppy Dog if you see him. We sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content for you. Alright, so Wantable is a styling service. You get 7 items. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. $20 styling fee does go against anything you decide to keep. They have a lot of variety from the reasonably priced to the more expensive name brands like Paige and Hudson and Joe. And they have a stream now that I love on their website where you can request or decline items, let your stylist get to know your style, as well as you have a good chance of getting the items you requested in one of your next boxes as soon as your size becomes available. I have gotten many of my selections, so I love it. Alright, so when I open my box, this is what I see. And right on the flaps, it tells you what you need to do. And check out my personalized sticker there, styled for me. I love it. They do have 3 separate edits. They have the style edit, which I'm going to share with you, which is your everyday wear, your vacation wear, weekend wear, work wear. Then they have a active edit, which is for your workout and athleisure. And then they have the sleep and body edit, which is for your intimates, panties, undies, jammies, as well as your sleep leisure. You can get all 3 if you like, which I love. You can kick off like multiple boxes. Like if you have a regular box in progress, you could also kick off a theme box, for instance. I tend to only get the theme boxes and very much enjoy them. So here is my bundle, and let's dig in. So right on top is a pamphlet that's going to tell me all about the prices, the items inside my box, as well as prices and stylist notes. You get a bag to try anything you don't love and don't want to keep. My stylist is Amanda, and she has been awesome. I've had her before. You typically do not get a dedicated stylist, but I've gotten several repeats. So first item is by Herizon, and it's a cute little graphic tee. That's cute. It says Grand Canyon. Very, very, very soft. Okay, that's the first item. Next up is a dress that I actually requested, had on my wish list. This one is by Apricot, and it's called the Tropical Satin Midi Dress in Navy. Check out how pretty this is. So it is a halter style, but it looked like I could handle it. It ties in the back. It is in a silky fabric. No pockets. And does have a slit in the front. So that is adorable. Then I have a Z Supply sweater. Oh, I like this. This is super cute. It's the Sienna Voyage sweater. I did. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 out of my 7 pieces were requested items. What? That is a record. 6 out of my 7 pieces. The Grand Canyon tee was one I did not have on my wish list. That is amazing, and kudos to them. I left a lot of more notes this time and tell them the brands I prefer versus those I don't. I was a little more specific, so I think it's going to pan out. So this Z Supply sweater was on my list. It's super cute. It says Bon Voyage. Adorable. White. It's a thinner material, summer weight. Super cute here. So I love that. Alright, I came outside because you guys have requested it, and I like to be out here to film, so it is one of my favorite spots. But I can't control the noise, so I'm hoping that it's not too noisy for you all. Next up is another requested item. This one is by Z Supply as well, and it is the Balos Chambray midi dress. How cute is this? I've seen this on a couple sites, and I'm super excited to try it out. So cute, right? Smocked top, has that tiered bottom in this awesome chambray Oh, I love this. No slits, just so, so pretty. This one's going to be fabulous. Oh, I can't wait to try that on. And then sun-washed denim is huge right now. This pair is by Dear John. It's called the Audrey wide leg jean with patch pockets. I know I definitely requested this because I was in love with the color. Check that out. So, so pretty, right? I love this lighter wash. Can you see that? That is so cute. These have some give and stretch to them. Adorable. All right, then another one. This one is by, who is this one by? Bayous. Bayous? I must have requested them. I don't think I recognize this brand, so you guys tell me. Have you tried this one yet? Bayous. I have not. And these are the high-rise cuff straight leg jeans in surf blue. It says perfect stretch, curve hugging. How cute are these? Those are nice, okay. And then my final item is by Pistola. I love Pistola as well. And these are the Sophia Utility Wide Leg in Pony Pink. How fun are these? And the color, right? All right. This is going to be an awesome try-on. So my first outfit, I just have to say, how flipping cute is this? Okay. So I have on the Pistola pants in this awesome pink. I have on the Z Supply sweater, Bon Voyage, getting ready for a vacay. Threw on a strappy sandal, and I feel like outfit made. So these pants do have the flappy pockets, but they are snapped down, so you don't have to worry about them popping up or getting all crinkled on your butt when you're sitting. So snaps here and a snap here. These are my regular size. Some amazing comfy stretch, but nothing that feels like it would stretch out. It is a wider leg, as you can see. Again, very comfortable, a little bit more relaxed, I would say. I am in love with these. Perfect to wear for those in office days or work from home days, where it would translate well to travel. And then I paired it with this awesome sweater. Here's what it looks like out. It's very relaxed, very comfy. Here's the sleeve, so you can see that. This is stitched on, the Bon Voyage. So cute, right? All right, let's talk pricing. So for these pieces, the Sophia Utility Wide Leg in Peony Pink, I'm wearing my regular size 26, is by Pistola, $148. Then for this awesome sweater by Z Supply, the Sienna Bon Voyage sweater in white, it is $59, and I'm wearing an extra small. So good. Next up is this apricot dress. How pretty is this dress? Okay, so it has lots of flow and movement here at the bottom. It creates a blouse-in effect here with the tie belt. It is a halter style, but not too high, which I love. The pattern on this is just beautiful. It is a silk fabric, or I should say a silky fabric. It is black and navy, I believe, in this background, so I left my strappy sandals on with this. It is a little bit long on me, so I might want to go with a higher slit, but I'm not tripping on it. It has a slit on the left side here. How pretty is this? So much amazing flow, right? This would be perfect for outdoor events. It's very, very lightweight. It's body skimming, not body hugging. It would be just perfect if you have to be at a wedding or a vacation where it's going to be hot outside and you want something that's cool. This would work. So this is called the Tropical Satin Midi Dress in Navy by Apricot. I am wearing an extra small, as I mentioned, or yes, no, I'm wearing a small, a 2-4. I'm wearing a 2-4, which is a small, and it's $98. I can't wait to hear what you think about this one. Another good one. Okay, how about these Dear John Sun Bleached Denim? These are amazing. They are comfortable. They pulled on effortlessly. They do have a bit of a wider leg style here. They're full length. I do have a little bit of a heel on, and they seem to be okay. The patch pockets here in the front. Regular pockets in the back. Love, love, love this wash. What do you guys think of this one? And it's called the Audrey Wide Leg Jeans by Dear John. And then paired it with this Herizon graphic. It says Grand Canyon on it. It's a poly spandex blend. I put a little cup here on my sleeve, which I enjoy. I think this is a great graphic with it. So for these pieces, the Dear John 105, I'm wearing a size 26, which is my normal size. And then the Grand Canyon National Park graphic tee in blue steel, I'm wearing an extra small, and it is $49 by Herizon. All right, we're into outfit number 4. This is awesome, this box. Kept the same tee on, but switched out my denim. How about this great cuffed pair? These are at a great length. I'm 5'5" for reference with a 28-inch inseam. These are fitting really, really nicely. They have some amazing stretch, more than that last pair I had on. They feel very comfortable on. I feel like they're a little edgy. I'm really enjoying them. So good. I did a front tuck this time for the shirt. You can see how long it is. And for these pieces, the high-rise cuff straight leg jean in surf blue by Bayous is $89. And I already told you about the graphic tee. We're down to the very last item. Final outfit. How about this chambray number? In love. Square neck, smock styling, breathable fabric here in this chambray denim look. Check this out. Love this. Adjustable straps, that square neckline, the tiered effect. In love with this. How much do you guys like this one? I think I saved the best for last, although I'm loving this entire collection, right? All right, so this one is the Balos Chambray midi dress in wash chambray by Z Supply. Of course, I did request it, $119. So for all 7 items, $667. If you keep 5 or more, 20% off. So 20% off, all 7 is $133.40 minus my $20 styling fee, and there was a $25 off special going on as well. So that would bring it down to $488.60 for everything. And I have to tell you, I thought this was awesome. What could I send back? What could I send back? The graphic tee? Is it worth it? Probably not. Look at this. I love this. All right. I will list all these items down below in case you would like to request them from your stylist or put them on your wish list. You can also shop their shop. If they're available, you can just buy them directly there as well. I'll put all my information for Wantable as well in case you'd like to give this box a try. You'll get money towards your first box. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye, everybody.